Namaste. Welcome to your practice. Today's practice is forward fold. I will be demonstrating the pose seated in a chair. You're welcome to stand up and do this practice standing up. Come to a comfortable seat with me. Place your feet on the earth. Squeeze the front of your belly in and up. Lengthen your spine. Inhale here. And exhale, hinge at your hips. First, bring your forearms to your thighs. And pause here. I've set your 60-second timer for you. So all you need to do is focus on your breath and listen to my words. If you'd like to go deeper, bring your chest to your thighs, hands down to the earth, head falls heavy. Breathing naturally here, getting your body permission to release into the support of your body beneath you. To come out, place your hands on your thighs, on your shins, squeeze the front of your belly up toward your heart as you press yourself back up. That is your seated forward fold practice, and I will see you again very soon. Be well.